Hi guys! Update vlog for today. Isang magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngunit bago ang lahat, hayaan nyo munang ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako nga pala si Ginoong Carl Jan P. Lodripas, a 19 years of age, at ako po ang pangalawang anak ni na Anisita P. Lodripas and Arcadio P. Lodripas, taking the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino in Bohol Island State University Main Campus. At sa araw na ito ay samahan niyo ako dahil ilalakbay ko kayo sa aming napakagandang hacienda. At ito ang tinatawag naming Hacienda de Lodripas. Tara, let's go! Ngayon ay samahan niyo ako dahil pupunta tayo sa aming napakagandang munting bundok o tinatawag namin dito na muto. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ngayon ay nakarating na tayo sa aming muto na dito ang napakagandang view. Okay, papasyal ko kayo. Tingnan niyo.
The view is sounding like everything that happened.
Praise the Lord, worship Christ with the best of your portions. I know I won't forget all He's done.
Oh, hindi lang dyan nagtatapos ang ating video dahil ipapasyal ko kayo sa napakagandang munisipalidad namin. At ito ang munisipalidad ng Loon. Tara, sabay-sabay natin itong lakbayin.
The beauty of our Mother Nature meets the glory of history and culture. Here at Loon we celebrate the Feast of Light, where you can see the sights full of history. So people come and see. Come to Loon, beloved Loon Madanihon. Come on, come on, come and see Loon. Come on, come on, come explore Loon. Come on, come on, come visit Loon. Come on, come on, come and discover the beauty and wonder of Loon. Come to Loon, the beautiful town in the province of Bohol, where you can taste the the best in town, only for you. Loon is the only island lake and white sandy beaches and coral gardens. So what are you waiting for? Experience the wild of the people. Come to Loon, beloved Loon Madanihon. Oh, come on, come on, come and see Loon. Come on, come on, come explore Loon. Come on, come on, come visit Loon. Come on, come on, come and discover the beauty and wonder of Loon. So what are you waiting for? Experience the warmth of the people. Come to Loon, beloved Loon Madanihon.